Today I'm going to teach you how to use macro actions and arguments in Microsoft Access. This is a powerful feature that allows you to automate tasks and create custom workflows within your database, making your work more efficient and streamlined. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading your database. Once the software has fully loaded, along with your data, you're ready to begin setting up your macro actions and arguments. This initial loading might take a moment depending on the size of your database, so just give it a few seconds to ensure everything is properly accessible before moving forward. Now look at the top part of your screen and click on the tab labeled Table. This is your main toolbar where all your essential tools are located. From here, you'll need to find the option called Named Macro and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Go ahead and select Create Named Macro from that list. This will open up the macro design interface where you'll build your automation. The macro design window is where all the magic happens, giving you a visual workspace to construct your automated processes step by step. You'll now be on the macro design page, and before you start adding anything, it's important to make sure the action catalog is enabled. The action catalog is what allows you to see and access all the macro actions you can add to your arguments, so having it visible is crucial for building your macro effectively. If you don't see it on your screen, you can typically enable it from the Design View options or ribbon menu. Next, it's time to add an argument. On the macro designer screen, you'll notice a drop-down button. Click on it to reveal all your macro arguments. These are the initial and basic ones that Access provides. Go ahead and select an argument from the drop-down that fits the task you're trying to automate. Arguments essentially define the conditions or parameters under which your macro will operate, so choosing the right one is key to getting the desired outcome. Now that you've added an argument, you need to pair it with the appropriate actions. Look over to the right side panel where all your macro actions are located. This panel is your toolkit for completing the condition for your macro. Browse through the available actions and add the ones that correspond to what you want your macro to accomplish. The combination of actions and arguments is what creates the complete automation sequence. Think of arguments as the what and actions as the how, working together to execute your database tasks automatically. Once you've added both your actions and your argument, and you're satisfied with how your macro is set up, click on Save. This will store your macro so you can use it whenever you need to automate that particular task in your database. Access will process and save your configuration, which may take just a moment, and that's it. You've successfully set up macro actions and arguments in Microsoft Access, giving you the ability to automate repetitive tasks and improve your database workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.